In this video, I will show you how to clone any app on Android easily. This way, you'll be able to have one app up to like 3 times, 4 times, or even 10 times on the same Android device. And if you're having any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. To get started, simply open your Play Store app. Once the app is open, simply search for parallel space. So once you search for this, you're actually going to see two apps at the top. You're going to see this parallel space by LBE Tech, which is having about, I think, 100 million downloads. Yeah, 100 million downloads. So it's either you are downloading this one, or you can actually download this other one that you can see at the top, which is Parallel App Dual App Cloner by Dual Peak Inc. So you can actually download any of them. You can see this having 10 million downloads. So any of them, you can actually download it and you'll be able to use it to clone any app multiple times on your Android device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.